like a child stealing his first piece of candy and got caught. Went around my corner, somewhere I got lost. Something is holding me back. Is it because I'm black? Something is holding me back. Is it because I'm black? Well, good Lord, something is holding me back. Is it because I'm black?
Come chat with me.